So what we're doing is fitting a vehicle to the soldier instead of making the soldier fit his mission to the vehicle that's available. The tool will pull from a variety of different parts that are available and design for them at that moment exactly the vehicle that they need.
Another way that the catalog can work is that the soldier or the Marine can actually build a mission using a bird's eye view map of the area of interest.
Most of the components are designed to snap into place, so they're easily put together and taken back apart if you need to.
Part of the benefit of our tool that we're developing is that you can input new updated electronics and components and immediately adapt your design to accept those parts. So that way you're never obsolete. You can always make adjustments on the fly.